Hello parents. Here is how you can make a valid online submission to the NARC organized by KidX in collaboration with Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog. A few things that you need to keep handy. 1. High-speed internet. 2. Your registration contact information. 3. The submission files should be less than 100 megabytes. A few important points to note here are: 1. You can submit using the website or the mobile app. Please note, even if submission is made via the website, all details with respect to your submissions will be available on the app only. As such, we strongly recommend to submit using the mobile app. 2. Entries shared through WhatsApp email will not be valid. 3. A submission can be done anytime before 28th February. Let's begin. To submit using the mobile app, first download the app from the Play Store on your Android mobile device. Search for KidX and install the app. Once installed, you can log in using your registered mobile number, email address and continue. Upon opening the app, on the main page there are 3 tabs: Champions, Circles and Classes. In the Champions tab, click on NARC 21 to 22, the one that is live, and you will be redirected to a page that holds all details about the event. Scroll down to the Activities and Grades button. Click on it, and you will be taken to a list of activities based on the skill sets. You can select the skill and scroll down to select the right activity for which you wish to make the submission. Once you select the activity, you can navigate to My Submissions and scroll down to find the Submit Activity button. Click on the button and a plus sign within a box will appear. Click within the box and a pop-up will appear asking you to choose the content type of your submission. Select either image or video. Once you select, you will be able to capture an image video using your mobile's camera or browse through your phone gallery to select the right submission file. Click on the Submit button at the bottom, and another pop-up will prompt you to confirm your submission to the respective activity under NARC 21 to 22. Once you confirm the submission, you will be asked to select the language used to make the submission, English or Hindi. You can select the language based on your submission and click on Submit. Now all you need to do is go through the terms and conditions in use, accept and submit the same to confirm your submission to the NARC. Upon successful submission, you will receive a system-generated email on your registered email address confirming your submission. You can view your grade. If you are satisfied, hooray! Your work here is done. Else you can also opt to make a resubmission by following the same process, or can also request for a review on your previous grade from the kebab menu beneath your displayed submission. You can also regularly check the status of your submission using the mobile app and choose to resubmit if you are not completely satisfied with the grades given to you. For users submitting via the website, navigate to the NARC page on the KidX website. Scroll down to the Submit Activity button. You are now on the NARC submission page. Please use your registered details to enter. Make sure to choose the appropriate registration number from the drop-down menu and ensure the right child is selected for whom you are submitting. You will now be required to enter your submission details. Please select the right activity from the drop-down menu for which you are submitting, and then drag and drop or browse on your device to attach the correct submission file. Once the file is attached, click on Continue. Now you need to give consent for the submission you have just made. Be sure to read the details carefully and click on the Submit button. Upon successful submission, you will receive a system-generated email on your registered email address confirming your submission. Each submission is granted grades. These grades take a maximum of 7 days to be visible only on the mobile app. In order to view your grade, you need to install the KidX app on your Android handset. Hope this was useful for you all. All the best and keep learning with KidX.